Up top SMB fam. Today is a up top day for TJ. We have Instagram live. Man Pikkal. I do a mad interview. I talk about him new song with Timberland in African tour. And all making tonight thing to go Japan scene here. So want to just check it out. It's a good look interview still. Yeah man, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe. Check
Yeah
out
man, bless up, up top boss.
Up top, where you go with the general?
Yeah, me there, many Japanese can't wait.
Yeah man, we can't wait for forward down at Japan. They come mash up the place too.
Man.
Yeah
up
man,
top,
you know
boss.
some Tokyo style Godzilla or something.
Yeah. Yeah, everybody call you as a up.
So forward at Japan man. It's very soon. Yeah, bring me a Japan for the first. You know that too man.
Yeah, me I go try, Me I go try. Definitely
Yeah
me I go try.
man, try your best.
Alright, so everybody know about you because you are too famous, But
Yeah.
can you introduce yourself?
Well, you don't know. My name is Timberland Jones, otherwise known as Up Top Boss TJ. You see it? Yeah, man. Born and raised in Montego Bay, Jamaica.
Oh, you born and raised in Mobile.
Yeah. Hold on, my fans them. Here we go on. It's just an interview I go on. Jamaica to Japan, so I want to get prone to what go on right now. You understand? I not up them up my IG. None at all.
Yeah, because up top boss is a too worldwide, because every Japanese people know about up top boss.
Yeah, man. So you don't know. Japanese people, we have to beat the thing in them head and make them get used to the thing. So you have to do it the right way, though.
Okay. Up top boss, what made you start singing as an artist?
Well, I don't know. Family. Family, we born and raised, come see with brother and everybody in the family. I try to do the music thing. Been I do it, them still I do the music thing. You understand? So we just decide to run with the button like the athlete them, you understand? And just do the thing the right way.
Okay. Who named you as a TJ?
Brother. Yeah, me get the name TJ from my brother. From Timberland Jones.
Okay.
Fans them just get the opportunity to watch TJ doing an interview. You understand?
Up top boss, which artist gave you the biggest influence to your music career?
Well, every artist, Jamaican music overall, dancehall music overall give me the influence of my career. Every artist, I listen to every artist from Jamaica. Once you're a dancehall artist, I support your music. I don't have no bad feeling for no artist. So every artist give me the influence.
Yeah, because Jamaica music island,
Yeah, man. Land of music.
Yeah. When was your first time you performed on the stage?
2010. Tommy Lee called me out on a stage in Westmoreland, Jamaica, 2010. And from them time, we just decided, all right, we're going to just focus on music only. So, big up to Tommy Lee, same way. First artist ever called me out on stage. Tommy Lee Sparta.
2010? So, you took
2010.
You took just 10 years to make you big like that? I can't believe that.
Yeah.
Just 10 years in.
No, hear what? You see the music thing. We've been doing music from a long time. I've been singing from about 8 years old. From the age of 8, I've been doing music. So it's just the only thing that I know. You see me? Yeah, just music. We never work yet. Never ever work. We never wash a car as a street youth. Nothing at all. Just music. We always in the studio. From me drop out of school like 2011, I think 2000 them time there. 2011 I drop out of school and me just been for my own, get my own responsibility. Them have woman a breed and them liquor thing there. So we start be a responsibility from a tender age. So music was the only way. Not badness, not anything else, just music.
So real up top boss then.
Yeah man, real up top boss man.
Okay. Which song you think that changed your life as your turning point?
Well, right now I feel like Rockstar Riches changed my life. I feel like it just changed.
Yeah, because I've had you try to collab with Timberland.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, it a work on right now as we speak, man. Timberland go down in the studio, go and cook up something.
Man, because I saw that on Instagram. So that
Yeah,
be
we have an album working on right now, same way. It almost finished. I believe in the album, yeah, 100% say it'll go show growth in my career. It'll go change a lot for me. It'll go open many doors for TJ same way.
okay. Do you listen
Yeah,
to
man.
other genre music like hip hop and R&B, soul, any other genre?
Every music, me listen, gospel, everything.
Okay, you
Cause
listen to gospel too.
everything, music has no boundary, and music is not perfect, just like human being. We're not perfect. So if you're trying to get music perfect, it's not gonna come out the way how you want it. So you have to just listen every artist, listen every type of music, every genre, add your flavor and spice to it, and just create music.
Okay. Who is your favorite artist besides reggae artists and dancehall artists?
Me not have a favorite. I swear. I just love every artist. Me not have a favorite artist.
Mad.
Swear. Every artist me love.
I like dance, I know. So when do you write down lyrics yourself or with the team?
Yeah, man, right. The lyrics them with self, man, with the inspiration of ganja and NEC. You know?
Okay, yeah, because you made a lot of hit songs, you know. So I feel like you need 6 or 7 people to help you to make a lyrics with a teamwork.
Well, sometime, as the mother saying, Jamaica two is better than one. So watch more time we in the studio and you have a friend saying something and it catchy, you know? And you say, yo, that's bad, you know? And you just improvise on it and just create a hit song.
Yeah,
As long as
teamwork.
you believe in what you do, it have to work. Cause you
Yeah, it's
believe in
like
it.
yeah, teamwork is dream work.
Yeah, man, teamwork make the dream work.
What kind of activity do you do mainly at moment? Because we are in a sometimes pandemic and some city are locked down, you know. So
Yeah. Back out, wake up back, studio again.
mad.
Yeah, man, I just somebody with it. Just my everyday lifestyle. That.
After bus, I know you travel to almost all over the world. Is there any country you wish to go where you have not gone yet?
Well, I'm not forward to Japan yet. Come see Godzilla. I'm not go. I'm not go Europe yet. I'm not go Africa. But
Okay.
them place that in the touring right now. We have Africa, October, Europe, anytime it open. Couple places well, me not go where. I know me I go forward.
Yeah, every country we be ready to get you, you know.
Yeah, man, ready for the country them too. Remember, he's a countryman, you know. Maybe I come from, you know, them say a country, you know, so we love the country, you know.
Yeah, everybody want you to show down in Japan same way.
Yeah, man, I'm dying to come to Japan, I swear.
Yeah. All right. After bus, every time I get big guests like you, I always ask each guest, is it possible? Can you sing a little in acapella, please?
Of course. Oh, yeah. Sit down and go on with the vibes and a reminisce.
Man.
Oh, the dog, them when they are with me. Whoa. I'm doing okay. Doing alright. How are you? Big up yourself, my friend. Is it? Bad.
Big up top boss.
Yeah, man, right. That's something.
You sounds like you really ready to come to Japan, you know. So what's your impression on Japanese reggae and Japanese dancehall reggae?
Well, over the years, Japanese people have been supporting dancehall hard, 100%. So we as Jamaican artists, we have to love that. We have to accept other people. We have to accept that and embrace that. So my impression and that is very, very, very great. You understand? Me like it. I swear, me love it.
Yeah, there are so many reggae communities and dancehall communities in here. I'm talking about in Japan, you know.
Yeah, man. Remember Japanese. Japanese is the only people who extradite themselves to Jamaica. You know?
Yeah,
Like,
because we love
yeah,
Jamaican
Japanese
culture,
want
reggae
like
dancehall.
I think Japanese people like to be more of a Jamaican more than a Japanese. Like, wagwan, yeah man, me want dub, you know? Yeah, them
Yeah.
love with culture, so I have to
Yeah,
embrace that. I see I'm respect on for that 100%. Big up on yourself, see? Mm-hmm.
yeah, man. Respect. So it's gonna. I'm gonna ask you last question. You know. So as I say, some city are locked down. We are in a like pandemic time. So
Yeah.
can you give a positive message to people and the people who is watching our IG live and you are interviewing now?
Well, at this point in life, you know, you have to just stay focused and stay far away from COVID. Because it's a dangerous thing, you know? Yeah, just protect yourself, protect your loved ones, protect your nation, protect everything we have. You understand? In a them time right now, because it's like a world war going right now to me. And
Okay.
we can't bomb down the place and do all of them things. So we
Mm.
just use this COVID thing to see how much people we can kill out of some country. Just that me feel the government are the bigger heads them do right now. So at this point, we have to stay focused. We have to keep ourselves safe. We have to protect ourselves, protect our family, protect everything. You understand? Yeah,
Yeah,
that
thank you
much
for the
for
positive
people
message.
them
You know.
right now.
Yeah. Oh, I
Yeah, man.
forgot to ask you. Sharon Bag introduced about me to you. So
Yeah.
how did
Who
you
says
meet
a good
Solid
interview?
Agency?
Thanks for watching the Zita
Well, I know me
Nation
a
show.
solid
The big
agency. I
and
do some
coming
work
brother
right
Zita.
now.
Big
Because
up
you
on
don't know
yourself and out.
music. We have to do work with people. You
Yeah.
understand? We have to explore. We have to. Not just music. We just explore. We just do some work right now. Yeah.
Man. All
Yeah,
right.
man.
Yeah, after us, thank you for joining my IG live tonight. Definitely
Yeah,
today
man.
is one of the best one, you know.
Big up, man. Bless up, my general. I understand. More you bless up the people, them.